This thing is being evil and I hate my computer. It won't let me post the damn video. So, right. My dog's snoring. I love her. She's adorable. Chocolate is amazing. I found this. Oh my god. It's nummy. It's like chocolate and yumminess in the dish. Yeah. That's a fake Mexican song. I gave it to a Mexican chick that I know, and Cindy. She's awesome and amazing, and you should love her. She couldn't understand a word of that, and she speaks fluent Spanish. So apparently the rappers aren't speaking real Spanish, so it's amusing. And rappers amuse me in the first place, so I am excited because Adam's joined and so is Lauren. I love both of them because they're adorable. And yay, we have someone who's not white. Because I'm fluorescent and I'm neon and everything else, and there's a lot of neon people out there, so. Oh, sorry. I spaced out. Ooh, I should show you Paddy. Paddy. She's adorable. It rained outside, it is wet, but I'm gonna show you the wetness first. Okay. The floor is wet. That represents rain. Okay? It rained. But yeah, it's wet. And I'm bugging Paddy again. Cause I'm annoying like that, aren't I? No, go away, stupid software update. Go away. It's being evil, doesn't like me. But here's the baby. She doesn't like having her photo taken, I'm sorry. But yeah. And I shall try this again. Alrighty, Psychos of the 805. It's been a freaking blast. Yeah, I'm going. Bye!